I'm Dr. Uche, a practicing physician who's been coaching others to write and publish their biographies since 2013. The first autobiographies I brought to publication were for my dad and granddad, and those took more than 5 years and lots of mistakes. On this channel, I will show you the tools I use to perfect the process so that you can have your biography done in 6 months or less without the delays and mistakes. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's dig in. Guess what? We are all super busy, super duper busy. And let me tell you, as somebody approaching middle age, we never stop being busy, okay? So if you're looking for that perfect time when all the ducks are gonna be in a row and you're gonna have everything perfectly, you have the perfect extra time, the perfect everything to write your biography, there will never be such a time, okay? You have to find a way to make it happen, even in the busyness of life. But here's one thing you may not have thought about. And as we move into 2025, and yes, you're gonna get this done in 2025, woohoo! I want you to keep one thing in mind. I want you to start getting that ready. What am I talking about? Stay with me. I am talking about you are not doing this on your own, okay? This is a big project. Let me give an example. So what if you're writing your mother's biography and say your mother had 3 children, right? This is not for you alone. What if your mother has 5 adult grandchildren? You want to start assembling your team. Who is going to be part of this project? You are working on this very precious heirloom for the family. Who is going to be in it? Don't think you're going to do it by yourself. It is overwhelming. Start assembling your team. Start thinking who is good at what and who is good at what. Maybe somebody is good at digitizing stuff. Give them pictures. They're going to put them all or convert them all to electronic. Maybe someone is good at typing, okay? This is going to be the person to transcribe a lot of what you're dictating. Maybe somebody is good at organizing stuff, okay? And even if people are not uniquely talented in any of these, you could say, this person gets to look at pictures from when we lived in California and talk to grandma about things that happened at that time. And someone else, oh, they're going to spend time with grandma in February. That week, they're going to take time to ask about this part of her life, okay? You want to split the task so that it's manageable. And so everybody gets to contribute, have a great time, get to make memories with your mother, their grandmother, okay, and contribute to the project. And I always say, putting it all together is the easy part. Gathering the material, that's what takes time, okay? So you want to make sure you have a team. You want to start working on your team now. Put it together as we march into 2025. Do not put this all on yourself. It is too much for anyone to handle, okay? It is overwhelming. So make sure you delegate, make sure you decide who's going to do what, assemble your team. That way it is so much more manageable, okay? I will see you in my next video.